Hi, I'm Michelle Bureau with Direct Carpet Flooring and Design, and we are just wrapping up a basement carpet renovation. So we're on to the stairs, which is the last bit of the project. Originally, we were going to be doing full coverage on a plywood box stairs, but what they've done instead is had the stairs refinished, so we're going to be doing a custom 24-inch runner to complement the rest of the basement carpeting. So what we're going to be doing is following it up onto the landing, a custom stair runner on there, going all the way up to the top floor. So we're just about to get started on that. Stay tuned for the final results and let us know what you think. And there we have it, a complementing stair runner that doesn't take away from any of the clean lines of this beautifully renovated staircase, but rather adds elements of comfort and its own design, at the same time adding a non-slip surface, especially if you have kids. I'm Michelle Bureau from Direct Carpet Flooring and Design. Thanks for watching.